Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Syakir Fajar Rahayu. In this video, I would like to continue my project for IT project on the 9th grade. I continue to make new apps again using the Codular platform. So the apps that I make is Find My Age apps or project. So what Find My Age is? Find My Age application is apps that you can know or you can yes, you can search and know your age now that you just feel your age born your years when you born. So maybe sometimes you forget or sometimes you confuse with your when I born or what my age now. So use with this application you can know by using by you by using the years when you born. But before I give the demo or what or this application when I using this application, I would like to explain first what the component that I use and how much screen for this application and what the color and the other things. So first, uh, there are four screen that I use. The first is screen one, the next is home screen, the next is onboarding screen, and last is welcome screen. So the screen one is like usual before you go to the main menu or before you go to the application it will be there this it will be there uh, splash screen or loading screen. Nah, loading screen before you go to the application. So this screen one I use the image find my age like this, find my age. And wait, before that I want to show off this. I want to nah, show off this. This is nah like this for make it more clear. This like the loading screen. That's the image before and the image the name for this application. And then the next there is home screen. Now this is the main screen for this application. This the screen that you can use for know your age now. And then the next is there is onboarding screen. Nah, if these two screen guys for welcome screen and onboarding screen, my teacher still not give the explanation about this two screen. So maybe it's it's gonna be using later when maybe for the next time will be used. But for now, I just use the screen one and the home screen. So maybe I will give you the now I will give you the component. I will explain the component in every screen. Yeah, for the screen one I just use clock like usual. So if already 3 second the screen will move to the home screen like this. So this the home screen. Yeah, so the name I change for the name screen become home screen. And then I give the space one. So I give the space from the title screen, ya, title bar subtitle, title visible to the vertical arrangement. So I give space around 5 for the height around 5%. And then the next is vertical arrangement. I use align horizontal and align vertical center like this. And the width is 90%. And in the vertical arrangement, I put three elements that I put three components. The first is label for the title for this application, find my age, and then space again, space for make it for space between the title and the label also the text like this. Hitung usia kamu dengan mudah. So I give the space around 1% for the height. And then I give space again for the vertical arrangement between vertical arrangement to card view. So in the card view, I also put some components. The first is label, and then I fill the label is masukkan tahun lahir, and then space again, and then I put horizontal arrangement. In this horizontal arrangement, I put three component again. The first is image, so I give the image calendar image for make it this more clear. So when you use this application, you can know it means you can fill this column fill this uh, column with your born years, okay, with your born years. After image, you can I put a space again between calendar and the text box. So this is the new component that I use for the when I use Codular, yeah, that is text box. So later when demo, we can fill this component, we can fill by yourself, you can fill by yourself. Okay, then I put the text tulis tahun lahir. So later you put your years born here. Example like maybe to 2012 you can put here. And then when you already put or already fill this column this column or this in this rectangle in this place, later this your age will know from this is still zero, and then years this still zero, but when you already fill that your years born, later it will automatically know your age now, okay, like this. So this just for describe for this one, you, that later it can count, the application can count your age. And then before there is this original arrangement again, image, I put cake, so it means like your birthday, and then space again, label again, space and label again. And then there is space again between the card view with the oh wait, there's space again between the horizontal arrangement with the button like this. So later when you already put this actually for the button. So after you fill this place, you have to click this first, but sometimes automatically directly the edge will appear directly. And then the next is space between card view with the card view again. And this for the second card view, it's for the icon. So maybe, so example, you put your maybe your age is still five years old. So later it will be changed from the question icon like this to balita or baby like that, maybe. But if you already adult, later the image will be there, the image like that. This the image from the question like this. And then there is the decoration like this it will, and there are two additional element, that is decoration and clock. It will be used in the blocks later. Okay, guys, maybe only that's all for the designer or for a design page, for a design that component, all component that I use. And then next for the blocks I will describe. So when home screen, when the home screen already, when we already go to the home screen after the loading screen, so will the image, the bottom one before the question image, it will be show the question png. And then call decoration set shape tahun lahir, background color, border color is round false like this. And then set decoration tahun lahir like this. So tahun lahir is this one, tahun lahir, this make the this horizontal arrangement is appear like that. Call, it will be get call with the background color and the border color white and blue like this. And then the value. And then for the next blocks, when hitung usia is the button like this. When you click the button hitung usia, click later the label, set the label usia, wait, and then label usia text, and then the will be the clock one, or the time will call clock one directly, and then the tahun lahir, this the tahun lahir, and the text, you can put your text here, all tahun lahir, and hide the keyboard. And then there is some condition, if label usia or if your age, that I say before, if your age, you put your text, your age is 5 to 5 to below, so later the image will change, it will change from the question image to the toddler image. And if your age is 10 to below and 5 behave, the image is, it will be child image. And if your image is 20 below to 20 below, it will show the teenager image. And last is, if there are no the if your age is already 20 behave, the image is, it will be adult image, like that. Okay, so maybe just that, yeah, maybe that's all for that I can describe and I can explain to you for all components and for all the screen for a designer and blocks that I can say to you. So after this, I will give you the demo video, or yes, the demo video for use this application. Wait. Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. So I will continue for my recording for Find My Edge application. So for this, I will. So this time I will give you the demo for the free demo for my application that I already make. So first, like usual, you can search Codeler. You can search Codeler Companion in your application and your phone, or you can wait guys. Okay, wait first. Okay, we can search the Codeler Companion first here. Or if you still there is no, you can download in Play Store. Okay, so after that you can click the scan QR code, and then go to the your application that you already make here. So you can go to your Codeler again, and then search test, and then you connect the communion, and then you put your phone to the QR code. After that, waiting first until connect. Nah, so this I already go to the screen, my home screen. Actually, before I can go to screen one first, but just directly go to home screen. So like this, when you click, wait, still not render the calendar, no problem. So when you write example, my years born is 2011, and then you click this, so it will the application is now your age now, that is 15, and then the image is changed to the uh teenager is remaja, like that. Okay, so maybe that's all for my demo video for FMS application. I'm sorry if I have some mistakes. Thank you for all that watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.